Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you like what you see and you want to learn more, I do have detailed videos on some of these backs on my channel. Hit that like button and please subscribe. If you want to be notified, click on that bell down below on the bottom right. Leave me a comment below if you've got any requests for any other videos you'd like me to make. I love doing these videos. Thank you for watching guys, and of course, drive safe.